a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. Is this recording? Okay. So this video I actually recorded or attempted to record last Thursday, well, to drop for last Thursday. I think it was either Thursday or Friday, I'm not sure. But I could have sworn I pushed record, but lo and behold, I didn't. I went to turn it off, and I actually turned it on after the whole shave. So I was on a trip from Friday till just now. I got home about an hour or two ago. And so I wanted to knock this video out again and get this going. So this is a micro artisan for Nearly Naked Soapery. And the soap I have is Commander. Now, the puck is already in a mug, so all I have left is the crumpled up wrapper that I threw away, and I had to save it for this video. But that's the soap. I have it in my Black Ship Grooming Grandpa's shaving mug with a lid, so I have the puck in here. And this also comes with a balm of the same fragrance. And I believe, if I remember correctly, and I'll have it on the screen if I'm not saying this right, I think you can get the soap puck and the balm for $28. Fantastic value for both. Now, they are on Etsy, and Commander is strong as the ocean, steady as the North Star. Bright Japanese grapefruit, bergamot, and lemon open the shave before giving way to peppercorn, ginger, aquatic marine notes, and a commanding base of cedar, patchouli, vetiver, and frankincense. Confident, sophisticated, completely intentional. They also have 4 other fragrances: Trail Boss, Bay Rum, White Tiger, and Woodsman. Their ingredients are stearic acid, shea butter, potassium hydroxide, coconut oil, cocoa butter, sodium hydroxide, glycerin, avocado oil, castor oil, fragrance, sugar, and mulberry silk. And this fragrance, my gosh, oh, it is absolutely incredible. If they had an EDP, I would already have it on the way. For the hardware, I am using, and they do have a regular website, but it looks like it's under construction because there's no products on it, but there is a Nearly Naked Soapery website. So go to the Etsy if you search them. For the razor, this is a new one. Now, this is my second use because my first use was in the video I attempted to record. And this is the Shield Elite Titanium Dominator. And it is a very thin head, and it's got an interesting profile, similar to another razor that came out recently. Slightly longer handle. I don't have any of the specs on this. I got this direct from Mike at Shield Razors, and I do have their new slant on the way. It is shipping as we speak. For the brush, I thought I'd go a little vintage, well, vintage-like. This is something I haven't used in quite a while, and I don't know why I don't use it much anymore. But this is my Heritage Collection Merit 99.5 with a bore knot. Absolutely love this, and we're going to go ahead and load this up. Get some of that water out, and let's load this bore knot up. I had it soaking already, and this puck is going to live in this mug now. So I am going to use it many times. This fragrance just really blows me away. Oh, it's so good. And I was very, very happy with its performance. So, there we go. Look at that. All right. Let's rinse this mug out a little bit. And something else I did not do. If you remember, I kept wondering when this was going to run out, and it ran out on the last pass when I attempted to record that video. And then I left on my trip, and I just got back, so it hadn't been filled. I'm going to fill this up. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet. And something else I did, but I've got a pretty good amount of growth, but I'm growing my goatee back. Something else I did in the last video was I cut that in the last video, so I apologize you don't get to see that. But let's get this shave going. Awesome. Ooh, I got water running all down me. All right. Oh, I really should have took this with me on my trip. It smells so good. I'm going to have to get a few more of Nearly Naked Soapery. This is outstanding. Performance, wonderful. Go ahead and get some water. It can take plenty of water. Makes an incredibly slick and protective lather. Needs more. Still needs more. Beautiful. If any of you have used Nearly Naked Soapery, let me know down below. I need to finish that sentence right. If any of you have been nearly naked, doesn't sound right. Okay. So since it's so late when I just got home, I'm going to just do 2 passes. And it'll work out anyway because I have another video to make tomorrow. And I've got some information as well. I will be starting Blizzard Battles back up, and it will drop. I'll record it Wednesday and it will drop Thursday. I probably should have taken this razor with me, but I have not used it on a head shave yet, and so I didn't want to be stuck with that one razor. I did, however, take the Shield Stomper, Elite Titanium Stomper with me, the single edge. Fantastic single edge razor. But I do really like this Dominator. Very smooth. Say about a medium aggression for me. But super efficient. That first use I was very BBS using this soap and this razor. Now if any of you are looking to currently get any of the Shield razors, the best, easiest, and cheapest way is just to reach out to Mike at Shield Razors via Instagram. And he will send you a link to pay, and then he will ship it out to you. And the reason he's doing it this way is to avoid the AliExpress exorbitant shipping that they have imposed on top of him. So that's why he is doing his sales that way currently. And I have purchased, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll have all 6 of his new ones once that slant comes in. And I've purchased them all through this method. Why does it smell so good? Oh, amazing. Look at that, I can add water again. And we're going to. Beautiful. Do a little bit on this side. Perfect. fantastic shave. Wish I had time for 3 passes. All right. Looks like I got a couple little weepers. But I think it's because I'm trying to go so fast to get this video going. I do apologize for me not taking my time as I should. Oh, but I really wanted to get this out to you. I wanted you guys to check out Nearly Naked Soapery. Absolutely fantastic. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash, or the balm. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Ooh, so good. Oh. So I'm gonna get myself back in order. All right, and now for Commander Balm. Man, I can't wait. Just a couple little squirts. Little goes a long way. Oh yeah. Okay. Man. Oh. The marine with the patchouli and vetiver and frankincense, namely that frankincense. The cedar pops out a little later than I remember. But, oh, it's just an amazing aquatic. It's got a lot of depth and sophistication to it. Unlike other aquatics, it's like it starts out as this breezy, citrusy aquatic, but it goes directly into a little bit more darker territory. Oh, that is so good. I got Weeper there going. All right. So that's all I got, guys. Check out Nearly Naked Soapery. I'll have a link to their Etsy down below. Please just go take a look. The prices are incredible. The soaps are fantastic, as you saw, and the fragrance is outstanding. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.